kum gajing penchulari Khynnah Skul kibawan shakhaman haka SSLC examination jungsnam araja arpsan ka Sorkar Lyngba mentri rangba kejilla kelai Sngewbha daki mobile tablet shakitu ki Khynnah Skul kiblawan shakhaman haka secondary school living certificate jungsnam araja arpsan lasam yikitei tablet shaki Khynnah Skul haka jingelang bla pelong ha try some hall ha office jong deputy commissioner hakini kesingi han majai kalai putrek rayong hakate kesingi ne don lang do upa HK thaba additional deputy commissioner ba viswer ba Bikram D Marak superintendent of police u SD SEO kawas Khasi ki no hikai ne ki school ki badan hakathan nongsynshar ki Khynnah Skul bad uba Gabriel Walang MLA ubla long kongsan
School control. Students from Daka Mawphor School control. Next, students from KJP Sengewbha Higher Secondary School. KJP Sengewbha Higher Secondary School. Nongsynshar. Can you follow? Line.
Program, but because of the limiting space and limiting time, so we have invited only 3 students from each of the 16 number of schools, 16 number of schools that are situated on the nongsynshar area to collect the MTAPs. For your classmates and for the school that are located in Mawphor and Rambrai area, we will hand the remaining tablets to the teacher in charge. I think everyone got my point. The students, 3 of you will be receiving the mobile tablets today. The remaining, we will hand it over to the teacher. So the teacher will distribute to the students at their respective school. So we are living in the 21st century with many scopes to grow and to progress. But at the same time, we are facing unpredictable and many challenges in our life. The world is moving towards digital age and at a very rapid rate. Now what is frightening is that the world is moving towards artificial intelligence, towards robotics and towards drones. In China they have these factories which is called dark factories. They are using artificial intelligence, they are using robotics for manufacturing of cars, for manufacturing of mobile phones, thereby replacing the human beings. So, since AI has replaced the human beings, which means that many people will be rendered unemployed. Now the phrase survival of the fittest relates to this generation, which we call as the Gen Z. Generation Z. So we request all the students to work very hard in your studies or in whatever field that you are doing. There is no substitution to hard work. Some of you may be lucky because you are born in a rich family, but for many of the students who belong to the BPL or who are like average income, you have to work very hard. Otherwise, you will face problem in your life. Why am I saying this? Because for every vacancy of post that we advertise through our district, we receive more than thousands of applications for one post. Now the competition is so severe, it's highly competitive, and it's very difficult to get a government job. So students, you have to work hard, not only in your studies, but you have to upgrade your skills and your learning, so that you can keep up with the challenges that we are facing in this generation and in this age. As per the National Education Policy 2020, education is no longer confined to textbook or to examination. Now the National Education Policy 2020 recognizes the importance of extracurricular activities in shaping the individuals. So every school now they have to integrate sports, music, vocational training and problem solving skill into the education. because the aim of the NEP 2020 is for holistic development of the students. Now coming back to our state, the sport policy of Meghalaya 2019.
Nasobalai gas ciusomo kabar kerpang dia ucap minister ucap yang bawa beladar ke negosiasi kajamu banten kala ya kajela kajumi baborok di pas ya kelas 11 kini banyo ya ke tablet pargani kalau buka itu prinsip ya ki kena Skul kajumi bahkan day tambapi kiba berkat kalawai kajumi berkat Sorkar keberkat kalawai kajumi ya don punya berkat nak kita kajima kajumi yo besar baru badan kenal kiwan mangga buat ya sengau nama thaba kijingkran bosotana haga bagi ai bensin ya bi kono begin kiu haga senyum kecumi pan kiu haga senyum inon kam invest ka khyeh kecumi saga saga pade bonsin ka khyeh jumi ni invest hai invest bon la yo ka tablet ki la per khat saban pe deshu ka kot la stan saban pun kam ni khyeh sa ki wei beli ki jaji ban ye tam tu Tehato ka main ke khyeh ke cumi invest hai. Pi invest ka main jupi ban kiu ha ke cumi ne, pi invest ka main ke jupi ban chuyen kom bo ha ka protesta ta ka artificial intelligence. Ha ka ban ha ban pi ni la pe ke ji tho jupi bre ko ma ma. Nyem pe ya ke ji tho bang ki tho dalani. Ka to la tho do we ni shi put ka long tang ka kam put ni. Han ya we pe ke ni ta ble. Bersama learn ya kan satu hi dalam dek. Pilih memilih menolong artificial intelligence dalam dek pintu. Omdai pinjumpai dapat kata, nara pay nak tu saja sedang kiwai beri kam. Aku ambil long kinong tho ya lagi. Pintu akalan tiga badai mubhatan, siapa pintu ya kerja berjumpa. Invest your money kita kali bodon kantam. Pengen awak bintang kandiat, mendera orang aku aman keren, orang orang media. Bagaimana kita how we invest? Tanpa shot ada haru nilai invest ke khyeh bok dari hospital tanpa. Sorkar India, kabo yang ada haru naga bentang ban ayah identity jong man ubay unong shom jota di India. Kamdai ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka bok shom ada. Hari ka Sorkar India baru kino India kita bandot ubay identification number. Ubapan yang hair yang apa dia pi. Kakarteng kelama Gabriel walang akrai dot ispang di balado kaju kakarteng kaju baca. Terwei ka identification ka cuma. Udon ada number. Kata ka identity ka cuma. Am siapa orang berbuat ya tu. Bagi John dia wadah. Ini berbuat. Ngaku apa hi kena Skul pi badan tangan dia. Lembat ke media. Am dia berbuat ya tu. Handle lara pi apply ke scholarship ni yo. Kadang gaji nong jom. La syai la rajar khapan ban yo khawrasham yo shu manu badunong lara bilek saga tak ka kasis pasni yo shu manu badunong kijing nong kibabu ada also invest in the right way kamain gazuni nga tang kebesitom nga labor tang dia ka smart card joka ebe chales dala sitom so to sa pension mo yang mata